Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. For today's video, mga iring banbanon, nagpa-overhaul ako sa BMW ko. Oh my God, look at this one. And it's really, oh my God, it's really difficult to change the tire and expensive, mga iring banbanon. Oh my God, look at the guy. Pinaghirapan siya, nahirapan. Grabe. Look at this. Oh my God. Nasira kasi yung ano ko, BMW. Expensive in fairness. And thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share to everyone. Punos ka sakit o punos ka lipay, ichika mo, ilaglag natin. Shalala. Bye-bye.